Marigot Bay, located in St. Lucia, is often regarded as the most exquisite bay in the area. To fully appreciate its beauty, one must visit a viewpoint along the road that connects the main Caribbean coastal route to the bay. The surrounding hillsides are lush and descend gracefully to a picturesque beach lined with palm trees. Meanwhile, the bay's clear blue waters are adorned with bobbing yachts. Legend has it that during a conflict with the French, the British fleet sought refuge in Marigot Bay by cleverly disguising their masts with palm fronds. This deep protected harbor has become famous for its historical event. Marigot Bay gained further recognition as the filming location for the 1967 movie Dr. Dolittle. This claim to fame has left an indelible mark on the names of some local establishments. To conveniently travel between the Bay and St. Lucia hotels on the opposite side, water shuttlers are available for visitors. For those looking to stay in the area, the luxurious Marigot Bay Resort and Marina offers breathtaking views of the bay, complete with the backdrop of verdant hills and a multitude of yachts. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe 10-Minute Travel and turn on the notification bell so you can get our weekly new videos.